Hello guys, this is Tech, and yes, as you can see, I'm showing you my vacation house, my new vacation house. As you can see, this balcony is outstanding. You can see everything down there. You've got a great floor. I mean, isn't this really nice, guys? Do you want a tour from it? No, I'm just kidding. Don't you see anything different in this image? Okay, I'm gonna show you what I can do too. Oh yes! Now I am on the beach and hey, can you bring me an ice cream? Ah, the guy is not listening to me. Okay, so as you can see, we can change from place to places, and now I'm gonna change again. Oh God, it's so cold. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on snow now, but that's where I am. Yes, I'm on my setup. I've got an Elgato green screen behind me, and you can do all these kind of jokes when you, for example, are recording a video and you want to mix some places with your reality. So, but let me talk about this green screen. It's mostly used for streamers. If you are a streamer, if you are a gamer, you will love this product. Why? Because it's so portable, and you will not have any problems storing him, because it's so easy to open and close. I'm gonna show you. For example, when you are opening, as you can see, it's portable. You put on the floor and you open the support legs. After this, you just have to open and pull the green screen, as you can see, and it goes all the way up. And then you got this result here, as you can see, really outstanding. Let me speak about the fabric. The fabric is one of the best that I've seen in green screen. I've already used a lot of green screens, and this one is really awesome. If you want to close it, it's really easy too. You just have to, as you can see, you just have to do the same thing. You just have to pull the green screen down. You see is going up, the green screen closing. Then you just have to close it and just store it in a place where it doesn't bother you, and you can open in a few days, or if you are streaming a lot, you can leave it open and you close it. I mean, you've got a massive options here with this green screen. But now let's try with gameplays. Yes, I'm gonna show you how you can use this on a gameplay as a background and stream a game. Let's check it out. So guys, as you can see, I'm recording now my gameplay. I'm gonna play CSGO a little, just for you to check how the stream can work for you. But remember, I have two things from Elgato here. I have the Cam Link connected to my DSLR GH5, so the quality of image is this one, which is outstanding. I have a small lamp here, just pointing to my green screen, because I do not have too many light here, and the green screen is right behind me. What I've used to mix all of these was the OBS. You already know OBS, so you just have to create a video capture device, connect the Cam Link, and key the background. And the image quality, it's really outstanding. Just let me show you that the green screen is really behind me. I'm gonna show you, just check it out. Watch this. Just gonna pull it down. Ooh. There you go. You see that's my setup behind. Whoa. Let's go up. And this is the gameplay that you will see when you are doing stream. So one thing that you must notice is that you've got two bars up and down when you are watching this video. Why? Because I'm using a resolution, it's a ultra wide resolution. I will have to change all my resolutions in my monitors to have a downscale for full HD, but it will give me a lot of work. This is only to show you that we can do this, and in a simple way. Just let me just put this small now, and I'm gonna show you playing the game, okay? As you can see, I'm on the game, and I'm on. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, baby! Just imagine just doing a stream like this. It's like a pro, man. You will do a professional stream like this. Okay, where are the guys to kill them? There you go. Whoa! Whoa! See you there. Just lost it. Okay guys, so this was the video. As you know, I'm gonna leave all the links description down below, so you can check it out. The Elgato green screen. I have to thank Elgato to send me this green screen, which is really awesome. And I really hope to start doing some streams with this quality, because I just love to see my image in the monitor. Really, it's fantastic. So guys, remember, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me there on Instagram, and as always, bye bye and see you soon. Outstanding this.